All right, so here's the warm-up for today. Once again, I'm going to give you the answers. If you're happy with your answers, go ahead and resume onto the lesson. All right, number 1, 4. Number 2, $23. Number 3, no. And number 4, yes. All right, so remember, go ahead and do your choices. You have two options, the puzzle time or the other option. The second option is more difficult. I encourage you to challenge yourself. But remember, you only have to do one. Also, do not forget to take the quiz, the weekly assignment on big ideas. All right, so let's go over the answers. So number 1, I have 50 plus 6, 12 divided by 4 minus 8 squared. All right. So if I remember PEMDAS, P, E, the order of operation, all right? Parentheses, exponents, multiplication or division, because it depends on which comes first, and addition and subtraction, and it depends on which comes first. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and do my parentheses, but I'm going to go ahead and do that exponent. I can go ahead and knock out both of those. All right, so 50 plus 6, all right, 12 divided by 4 is 3, minus 8 squared is 64. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and do my multiplication. So 6 times 3, so 50 plus 18 minus 64. And then I can just go ahead and go from, now since I have just addition and subtraction, I just go from left to right. And so that would equal, just put it over here, equal 4. It's 50 plus 18, 68 minus 64 is 4. All right, number 2, another order of operations problem, just numbers, numerical, not algebraic. So basically, I buy all these supplies, and I have a $10 gift card, and it wants to know how much I owe after buying all the materials and using my $10 gift card. So I'm going to show you how I got everything. I have 6, so I'm buying 6 notebooks, and each notebook is $2, so 6 times 2, plus 10 folders for $1, 10 times 1, plus 1 pack of pencils, so $3, plus 1 lunchbox, $8, minus my $10 gift card. All right, and so I don't need you don't have to put the ones, some of these ones to get rid of. So it's the same thing as 6 times 2 plus 10 plus 3 plus 8 minus 10. All right. So now I'm going to do my multiplication because that's the first thing. So 12 plus 10 plus 3 plus 8 minus, oh my gosh, I hate this thing, equals 23. All right. Number 3 and 4, you're just checking the solution. So what you're going to do is you're going to plug in, you're given the equation, and you're given the value, or in the equality for number 4, and you're giving the value of the variable. So what you're going to do is you're going to plug in that variable, that number, the value, in place of the variable, and if it's true, then that's the solution. So the first one is going to be 4x. So x is 4, so 4 times 4 does not equal 24 because 4 is 16. 16 does not equal 24. So that is not a solution. Right? Number 4. 3y is less than or equal to 21. So I'm going to plug in y, 7 in place of y. So 3 times 7 less than or equal to 21. Okay, and that's 21 less than or equal to 21. That is a solution because while 21 is not less than, it's a bar there, it can be 21. So the answer is yes. All right. So go ahead, resume onto the activities and choose, challenge yourself, but choose one of the activities. All right, you guys, this is probably the last video for the week. Check again Monday morning or Sunday night, and I'll have next week's posted. And don't forget to do this. Oh, no, that was last week. So hopefully, congratulations. We have finished chapter 7. We have finished the bulk of the year. We have finished big accomplishment, guys. I know this has been tough, but you guys did it. All right. Until next week. Bye.